Hello! Today we're going to be taking a look at this mold that my beautiful wife bought me for our anniversary. And it's a bunch of little fantasy knives and swords and things. As you can see, the blades are not going to be that sharp. We got 6 to make. I'd like to make them all different. She also bought me this metallic powder. It's got 4 different metals. And I got this 18 color colorant. And I don't know. I don't know what the plan is. We're going to find out as we go. And here we go. Alright, we're going to go put this up to dry, check it out when it's done, and I'm going to grab another mold I got from my sweet wife, and we're going to use up the rest of this resin in that. This one here you can also get at Let's Resin. How much it was, I do not know. It was a gift. Hello and welcome back. So here we are the next day or the day after, I don't know. Let's see what we got. So here is a 1911 45. Pretty cool. They're only one-sided though. Very smooth. I like it. Maybe hanging on the wall? I don't know. And this, I believe, is a Beretta. Maybe a Desert Eagle, I don't know. Kind of looks like it cloaked a little bit. Not too bad with some leftover resin. Alright. Start with the little one here. I don't know. Gold. gold space sword. This one here is my favorite. Spill. Turned out nice. This is what it spilled from. When I put it in there, it kind of wasn't level. Spilled out real slow. I didn't notice. Good thing I did. I might have lost more than that. Alright. That's pretty cool. Yeah? I'd buy that for $1. This is our blue and purple. Also, alien space sword. Marks in the blade. Kind of a nebula looking sort of. This is the bronze. And finally, this one. It does seem a little flexy. It's kind of hot. Happy with it. It's pretty. Maybe we'll do one where we try to sharpen these. It is a thick blade. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.